Hello everyone, my name's Mike, welcome to Tech Carmoon, and here we talk about smart technology, camera gear, as well as my opinions on them. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be talking about a device that Philips Hue should sell or bundle in that they don't. Let's jump into it. I love smart tech, and you may be here because of one of the videos that I've made on smart technology or one of my smart tech videos. If you have a Philips Hue light set up in your home, you may also have found that you may have gone for the Philips Hue remote to help control them in each room. However, the holder that they supply you with doesn't scream elegance, as you can see. Plus, having it right next to a light switch, when guests who may try and turn off or on the light instead of using the remote, they use the light switch instead. And this can get annoying when you're trying to use the voice control or the remote when the switch itself is off on the light. Well, I've tried a few different solutions and I needed to share this as I love it. It's a simple mount that covers the light switch and it doesn't use any existing mount from Philips, allowing you to use the actual mount that Philips Hue supply you with in a different location. Now this is where this company jumps in. They have made a fantastic product that looks great, is affordable and fits in perfectly with the remote holder with the magnets built in. The installation is so simple. So right over here we've got the Philips Hue remote stand as well as the normal switch. So we're just going to grab a screwdriver and we are going to unscrew it. So there you go. And let's grab the device. Just make sure it all lines up all right, which it does, perfect. So next up, we'll grab the included screws and we'll just pop them inside the holder. Make sure we've got it the right way up. Grab our screwdriver and let's get it in. And there you go. It's as simple as that. So we'll just grab our remote, pop it over here, and there you go. Then what we'll do is we'll pop the included little covers just to make it look a little bit cleaner. So pop that there and pop that there. Perfect. And now we can get rid of this thing and we'll have a nice plug and no one will accidentally push the light switch off. As you can see, the whole process is painless and it looks so much better. There will be links in the description which are affiliated, so it does help out the channel if you do use them. If you're looking for a clean, affordable way to place your remote in your house, go grab yourself one of these. Now that was just a quick video just to talk about a product that I really found useful in my own home. But until the next video, look after yourselves, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. See you later everyone.